I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today kicks off the Helga's Happy Holidays series, so I'm going to get you caught up hopefully this week. Thanksgiving was late this year and my schedule didn't help, so I'm a little late getting started, but we're going to get them stuck in here within the next couple weeks. Today is a recipe that actually I've always enjoyed, but Michael actually made them first, and that is the Italian Christmas cookies or ricotta cookies. They're really moist and yummy, have the slight almond extract to them, and they're just a really yummy, fun, light cookie. They're easy to make. We're going to get to it, and first in the series this year. So for the cookies themselves, you need the flour, sugar, ricotta, vanilla extract, almond extract, baking powder, salt, an egg, and butter. And then the icing takes confectioner's sugar, milk, and also almond extract. Let's get to it. So in a separate bowl, I'm going to take the flour, baking powder, and salt, and we'll just whisk this together well. And set aside. Next we're going to cream the sugar and butter. Next we're going to add our wet ingredients, the rest of them here. The egg, the ricotta, the extracts, and mix well. Then we're going to add in our dry ingredients and mix well. My oven is preheating to 350. And our dough is done. Let's get her ready to put on the cookie sheets. So here's our dough, ready to go. And we're going to portion it out. Onto parchment covered cookie sheets. The oven is preheated to 350. That's one. I'll do another tray. All the bake shops around here typically do these, especially of course the Italian restaurants. One that always made them here in Bloomsburg was Balzano's. So good. People always would order these for the holidays. We're going to throw them in the oven for about 15 minutes. While they are baking, we're going to make the glaze for on top, which is the 10x sugar, a couple tablespoons of milk, and a little almond extract. And that's that. We're all ready for when they come out and cool. Now I'm going to put my glaze on them. And it's okay to do this with them warm, so it just sort of like melts all over them. And I'll let you also see what they look like out of the oven. And then we're gonna sprinkle them with a couple candies. One other note, when doing things that require icing and sprinkles and all that stuff, I always put papers or a towel underneath. Makes cleanup a lot easier and you don't have it all over the place. So, that's it. Those are my Italian Christmas cookies. You can see that they're light on the bottom. You know what comes next. You know what time it is. Taste test time. So here's my cookie. And when you take these out after like 13 to 15 minutes at 350, they probably won't look brown or anything on top. That's okay. You want to keep them golden on the bottom and they set. So, and then you want to put your icing on pretty much right away. That way the icing spreads nice over them and you can put on your sprinkles. And I will tell you, they need a glass of milk or a cup of coffee with them though, because they're just that good. Beautiful, good. Warm right out of the oven. Now, if you watch through all of this, thank you. In the giving holiday spirit, as you know, some of you know anyway, that I'm a Pampered Chef consultant. Like what I scooped out the cookie batter with and my rack here and stuff is all Pampered Chef. But if you watched till now, please drop in the comments below your favorite cookie. And those who respond, I will put on the spinny wheel and randomly draw somebody for a small little Pampered Chef surprise. So that's part of the holiday gift this year. I also have my address if you want to send cards or recipes. I always love hearing from you guys, especially this time of year, and I will send back. And this is the start of the Helga's Happy Holidays. Late, but not gone. So, let's get making those holiday recipes.